In this video, we are going to explore 10 shocking habits of successful people. By adopting these habits in your life, you can be sure to achieve success in all aspects of your life. Before getting started, make sure smash the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated. Success is not accidental and it doesn't happen overnight. It is actually the result of forming good habits. Such habits are not necessarily fun, but the results are worthwhile. Successful people lead themselves out of their comfort zone and do the things they do not enjoy to get the results they want in their lives. There are 10 shocking habits of successful people. Number 1. Waking up early. Most successful people realize that a basic change in routine can make all the difference. By kicking off each morning at 5 a.m., they are adding plenty of productive time to their day. However, not all time is created equal. Studies have shown that productivity peaks first thing in the morning when our minds and bodies are fresh and full of energy. Many people try to achieve their goals after work, only to end up too tired or preoccupied. If you want to be successful, trade in a night wasted browsing social media or watching Netflix for a morning. Get a head start and make your ambitions a reality while everyone else is sleeping. Number 2. Learn from failure. Any successful person will tell you that failure is not just inevitable, it's golden, but only if you know how to profit from it. I wish I could tell you that all of your ambitions will come to life smoothly, but you are destined to run into a few barriers along the way. According to psychology, reviewing your failures can have exceptional effects on your attitude and productivity. It may seem stupid and irritating, but success depends on your potential to learn how and why you have failed. Number 3. Daily meditation. Numerous scientific studies have shown that 20 minutes of daily meditation can moderate stress, increase memory retention, and strengthen problem-solving skills. But how can sitting in silence be so good for you? The key is learning to meditate the right way. What is the right way? Well, it's actually pretty simple. First, choose what type of meditation you want to practice. Do you want to challenge your mind or do you want to reflect on past emotions? Once you are comfortable, fix it on each breath, feeling in the airflow in and out of your body. Slowly shift your attention to your goals, repeating them over and over. Remain mindful, and every time your thoughts begins to wander, and if they do, gently refocus your mind. Meditation does not work for everybody, but it can be a relaxing and healthy way to reach success. Number 4. Self-discipline. Discipline is one of the most powerful traits of successful people. It can be developed with continuous practice. Everyone works from home unattended. Know the importance of self-discipline when you are alone. Do you prefer to browse social networking sites and watch videos on YouTube, or do something that benefits you in the future? It's easy to have discipline. You have a clear goal and a strong motivation. Something more important, it is a meaningless distraction. Number 5. Time management. Time management is essential for success. Unsuccessful people often feel anxious and confused. When there are many tasks to do, successful people rarely get upset. They prioritize the most beneficial things and the most profitable tasks, leaving the unimportant and meaningless ones. For the last confident in the importance of doing the most valuable tasks, first, successful people make plans in advance for the days, for the weeks, very specific for the coming months. It needs to be done to do their job and achieve their goals. Number 6. Reading every day. It is not coincidence that some of the world's most successful people are also passionate readers. Executives like Elon Musk and Warren Buffett Read 4 hours every single day. Why? Because reading and success go together like fries and ketchup. Numerous studies have shown the advantages of reading regularly. Reading is a lot like going to the gym. It significantly lowers stress level, helps you sleep better by relaxing your mind and body. While all that is well and good, is biggest advantage of reading is knowledge. So choose the right books, read every day, and you will start making progress in no time. Number 7. Set goal. It may be possible that you have not met a successful person. Don't set goals because of the opportunity to get what you want without a clear goal. To orient its direction as if you are hovering around. If you don't know where to go, you will end up in a place where you did not plan to be. Set goals should be number 1. Make sure your why, the reason you did this, strong reason, so when the barrier broke, when things go wrong, you have the strength and drive to continue. Number 8. Networking skills. It is all about who you know. I am sure that everyone has heard this phrase before, and it's true. The most successful people aren't just great at their work, they are also excellent networkers. They are always on the guard for useful contacts, the future partners, or maybe potential employers, and after all, these contacts could be the difference between their business and unemployment. So why not do everything you can how to be a great networker? It is no secret that successful people do a great job at creating these networks than most. It feels like they can make 100 lasting relationships effortlessly, but they didn't start out that way. They have gotten this good after years of experience. Number 9. Exercising consistently. Successful people believe that every achievement is built on a strong foundation. While reading and creative writing educate your mind, a consistent exercise routine provides the physical energy you need to achieve your goals and stay healthy. By working out, you are letting your body operate at 100%. When chasing after your prize, you can feel sharp, positive, and invincible, instead of wasting your time with fatigue or illness. Number 10. They do what they love. If you do what you do not like, you cannot say yourself successful. You spend most of your work time, too much of your life. You do things that you hate for the money. Not a successful life, it is a torment for the soul. If you need to struggle to do something you don't like, you will not do it to have a life. But don't lose the meaning exactly from your supreme motivation. Find your motivation in life. Think of all the things you want to do before anything in the world. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated.